Welcome back to our channel, Bricks by Keenan. Today we're making three 3-in-1 builds. My dad is going to be making the Cockatoo, I'm making the blue macaw, and my mom is making the pink macaw. If you want to see the other two builds in each set, check out our Instagram at Bricks by Keenan to see the end results. Let's get building!
So, Caitlin, we're back from building the birds. Did you like it?
Yeah, I did.
What did you like the best?
Probably building the flowers.
The flowers? The flowers are really cute. You can actually, let's see if I can do this without breaking the bird. You can make them look a little different. So, full bloom.
Something out of Stranger Things.
And closed up. I like the fact that, with the flowers anyway, I like the fact that you can build them, and I mean, they're the same build, but they have two different looks. So that was pretty cool. So, which is your favorite bird?
The white one.
The white one? Daddy built the white one. So what's your favorite part about the white one?
The hair.
The hair?
Ours are bald.
Ours are bald. Ours have cool wings, though.
I like that you can move our wings, but with this one, you just kind of...
Yeah. They move, but they go back into place.
Yeah.
So, you know what I like about Daddy's?
What? It's not an owl.
Oh, but he's so cute like that. Okay, what else do you like? Were they easy to build? Let me go with that question instead.
No.
No? You didn't think it was easy?
It would have been, but when I built it, I couldn't find one of the pieces. So I ended up using, I also mistake one of the long pieces for two short pieces. So at the end, like, I needed a short piece and I didn't have one. So I had to go and take the whole, like, it was a part on the wing and I had to take it apart. And I took apart the wrong wing, so then I have to rebuild it and take apart the other one to get that piece. If I had done it right, though, it would have been pretty easy.
That's cool.
Was yours easy to build?
I think so. But I have a different question about the build for you, though. Did you use, because I wasn't here when you built yours, did you use the tablet or did you use the books?
The tablet.
Okay, you've built using the books before, though, right?
Mm-hmm.
Which do you find easier?
The tablet.
The tablet? I do too.
You can scroll and look at the bottom of the pieces and everything.
Yep, and you can go back easier to find where you were at if you made a mistake. Because I had to do that a few times. And you can see during my build that I actually started with the tablet. And this is a rookie mistake. Make sure your tablet is charged. I'm in the middle of the build. And it just goes out.
Well,
it went blank. And I had to add it to my phone in order to finish the build.
Well, we had a rookie year mistake.
Oh, you did?
That he didn't make sure that, well, one of the cameras was charged, but the storage filled up, so it missed, like, half of me building the bird.
Oh, okay. So we've learned lots of lessons on this build about electronics. Not about Legos or building bricks, but about electronics. So, these two. They're identical sets with different colors. Do you think Lego should put out more sets like this with, like, more colors?
They can.
Okay.
I think 2 is good enough, but they can.
I think there should be a red macaw.
Yeah, I do think
I mean,
so
the
too.
pink is cute, but I think they need to have a full-fledged red.
I think they need to have a red one, and then I think they need to have a complete rainbow one.
A complete rainbow?
Also, I wanted to mention that we have 2 more subscribers until we're doing the live at 15. So make sure to share this video and get us, or the channel at least, and get us 2 more.
Yeah. So at 15 subscribers, the 3 of us will go live building something. So put in the comments below what you would like to see us build. It has to be feasible. So comment, like, subscribe, and as she said, share so that we get some more subscribers.
Oh, and I didn't mention this, but at 18 to 20, we have this giant Yoda, and me and my friend, when we get there, eventually me and my friend are going to go live building it. So.
Ooh, the really big Yoda? Nice. I didn't realize you guys were doing that. That's awesome.
Neither did they. I just now said it.
All
Probably
right.
20.
The gauntlet has been thrown down. So, all right. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.